Hi guys! I have a few items to share today. What I have left of the Stamping Bella items I'd like to share with you, and a few items that trickled in. So I'm going to start with Stamping Bella. So this here is the silhouette die for the Christmas trees. So it's a silhouette Christmas trees. Love the shape of them. And then you get 3, and then the coordinating die. So this is being sold as a bundle, so you get a little discount for that. And the Santa sleigh silhouette, so you get the die and the stamp. These are perfect to stamp right over the moon. Really, really cute. This one I thought was really cute. Teeny tiny townie with a pine cone. I love how she's a little fairy carrying that large pine cone. You can see it's a very nice size stamp, and then you get the sentiment with it. Pine cones and leafy sidewalks and crisp morning air. And I thought this was adorable. Mice in boots. Aren't they cute? They're in Santa's boots. And you get the sentiment, all I want for Christmas is you. Very nice size stamp. These I thought were really cool because you get 2 sizes of windows. You get the sentiment Happy Fall, you get the larger window and the smaller window, and the inside is already decorated with a tree in the ground, some clouds and some leaves. So it would be perfect to just put an image right here in front of the window looking outside. And I am releasing a new Not Too Shabby release on September 25th, and I thought this image would be perfect to put in front of the window. He's sneaking a drink of this hot cocoa, and he could be in front of the window. You can see the window's a lot larger than the picture there. Wouldn't that be super cute? And there's a Christmas one as well. So isn't that so cute? That would be adorable. So the Christmas one, you get the Christmas tree with the snow. This one has curtains. And you get 2 sizes. This one is the penguin on a reindeer on a polar bear. So super cute. Little critters piled up to put the little star on top of the tree. And you get that sentiment. All is calm, all is bright. Rosie and Bernie in a bus. So the little unicorn is driving the bus. Little Rosie's sticking her head out the window, and the big Christmas tree is just popping out of there. I'm dreaming of a beach Christmas. So they got their beach bus, and you can see that's a very nice size stamp. I think I have one left. Polar bear on a cupcake, and there's a little mouse down there. They're both taking a nap. Make a wish. Oh, I do have 2 of those. We've got Oddball Sparkle Fairy. I got one of these back in stock. Really cute. And then I think I have 1 or 2 of this left. Hot Chocolate. Super cute. The little fairy is popping out. Very, very cute. I did restock the Pumpkin Spice by Pink and Main. This is an adorable stamp set. Jen from the design team, Jen Scrapbina Creations, designed a super cute card using the stamp set. So I'll try to link the video right here. More swatch tag stamp and die. So these 2 go together. And then the combo for the color wheel. So this does come with the die and a storage pouch to make your own color wheel. You can get some inspiration on the Waffle Flower YouTube channel for that. So I will have a little sneak peek of the Not Too Shabby release just what I'm working on. I haven't gotten the stamps in yet, but I have been coloring some of the images. So check out that video if you want a little sneak peek of the new cuteness coming. So I'm excited about that. You can use my coupon code Jamie for 10% off your order. And I will catch you guys in the next video. Thanks for stopping by, guys. Take care.